Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a confession that I went to a rabbit hole with coloring books. Oh my goodness, as we say in Egypt, وقعتي وما حدش سمع عليكي means that like you fell down and nobody helped you. Okay, so I have another coloring book haul. It's a Korean coloring book from Korea. Okay, so let's just start because this is so beautiful, so cute, adorable. Me and my daughter were screaming because of the cuteness. So let's start with this book. I did the translation. Let me just zoom in a little bit. So this book called Buckwheat, Cat's Happy Day. So it's about cats. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you. Again, there's an introduction, the prologue, how to use. To translate this, I took a screenshot and I put it to ChatGPT and asked him, to translate it, and he will. Or it will translate for you. Okay, so this is the content. Here's all the images or all the, the image that you're going to color, but here it's colored. So this is like chapter 1. So yeah, if you are a cat lover, this book is for you. So this is 1. Oh my gosh. The cat's taking a shower. She's, I don't know, doing a spa or something, I'm not sure. Oh, she has a mask. Cute. And there's its cup of tea. I want you to see the details. They pay attention, or she, I'm not sure who's the author. The illustrator, she's really paying attention to all the details. Wow. She's making hair. Oh my goodness. I'm a sucker for all these cuteness. And here playing video games. I'm not sure why. Oh, okay, she has the hearts in her cheeks. So there's a chips bag, radio. Here's what? Working or video gaming. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Okay, so here's a disaster. They were washing and or the soap is outside. The paper is good. I mean, it's for color pencils. Snowman, oh my goodness, so cute. Amazing book, I love it. This book is so cute. My daughter started coloring in it. This one called Desert Fox Salt's Warm 4 Season. Okay, so it has like 4 seasons. And it's about a fox. Because I wasn't sure what is this character, but it's a fox. Okay, that's my daughter. So she was coloring this page. First she started with Copic markers, but there was like bleeding. So I told her switch and color with the color pencil, but she didn't finish yet. So look at the illustrations and the details. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Let me see if there is something in the introduction. I missed it. No. Okay. I'm not sure what is this character, but he is so cute. Lotus. It's like a storybook, and you color the story, or you can really build a story. So my kids went crazy. Me too. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Beach Park. Look at this. Beautiful. I wish I can. I mean, if you want a dedicated flip through, let me know, because I mean, if I'm gonna flip through all the books, it's gonna take a lot of time, and I really want some pages to be surprise in case if you want to buy the book. This is a third book, and this one called Square Picture Diary Recording Happy Moments. about frogs. Look at these frogs. My heart. Oh, they're so cute. I'm not sure why they put 3 lines, maybe for a comment or maybe to share the colors you're using and what's the weather today. I'm not sure if this is the day, you know, I'm just guessing. So cute. Here's the food, here's something different. Yeah, okay. Yeah, he's eating. Let's see the color pictures. The details are mind-blowing. This is what I'm going to say about all these Korean books. Oh my goodness. It's a cat. I'm not sure what is these characters. Bunnies? I don't know. In the winter. In the daycare maybe. Just beautiful book. I'm scared to go in a black hole with these coloring books, you know, keep buying them. But I feel that I don't want to color them, I just want to keep them. I should have, you know, about 2 copies, one to use and one to keep. Okay, this is another book, and this one called A Sparkling Day Together. And I can feel that it's colored with the color pencils. Here the characters. The paper is heavy, so I'm not sure if it can handle marker or watercolor. It's heavy paper, yeah. And there's also perforated line if you want to cut it. So cute. You feel the warmness, the coziness. I don't know. So cute. Again, you can translate these because I translated in some books and they have like quotes or something. I mean, it's very nice, like inspirational quotes. This is winter. And here are some books by the same illustrators. I'm gonna check them out. Okay, next we have this book. This one's so cute also. This one called Hello Forest Friends coloring book. Again, prologue. So we have contents. Oh, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Cute boy. I'm sorry about this. Let me see if I can change. No, it didn't work. Okay, so spring. It's like a sketch, and I call her sketch. I mean, it's just the dark lines, and paper is heavy, so I have to try, you know, if it's gonna work with Copic markers and watercolors. Let's see. And cute squirrels. You know, when you feel this is like a sketchbook, it feels very hand-drawn, you know. So cute. Oh, but this is to cut. Yeah, I think this is perforated, so I can cut it and put it, you know, in a photo frame or something. Mini posters. Okay. So cute. So cute. This book, this one called a Kona's Magical Adventure Coloring Book. This book is so cute. It's like a little girl with some fun creatures. And yeah, I think I didn't say it's a story. It's a storybook. I remember this one's a storybook. Each image, you know, tells a story. Cute. Under the sea or under the water. She's cleaning. Look at the germs. Oh my. I can't. My heart hurts because it's so cute. Oh, so cute. Same, this is a same book, same author, I don't know. One called Salt the Desert Fox Mysterious Journey coloring book. Why I feel I saw this character before. Ah, okay, it's the same, this. Yeah, same character. Okay, so this one, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, they're fishing for cookies and fish. And he's cooking. I think this is all about food. Beautiful. Yeah, mostly food. Okay, no, this is not food. She's going to, maybe this is food, this is travel. Here's New York. Okay, London, Las Vegas. I would say Egypt. I don't know this place. India or Taj Mahal. China or Japan maybe. So cute. Amazing. Wet. It's like radio, has water inside. Fish tank or what? Very creative. I love it. I feel I want to have 2 books, not 1. Finally, this is the last book, and this one called Studio Baby's Warm Travel Coloring Book. Today, I don't know. I think this is a character. I was, debating, is this a monkey? But I feel it's a monkey. Okay. Monkeys and 2 bunnies. They're so cute. This is full of details also. I think this is in China, because when I went to Beijing I saw things like this. Temple, I think. I don't remember the name. So cute. Roti Nutella. I think roti, yeah, it's a Pakistani bread. So yummy. Oh my goodness. French toast. So maybe it's a different restaurant every time they go. I don't know. Oh, look, the food. It reminds me of, Studio Ghibli films. If you watched any of the Studio Ghibli movies, you will find they have this kind of food. There's too much details here. Sorry, not too much detail, too much food. I know. Anyway, it's cute book. So I am super excited about these books and start to coloring them. I might really buying another copy just to keep for myself, not to touch. It's a kind for inspiration. I used to do this with papers. If I like any pattern or any design, I usually buy 2. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Please write in the comment below which book is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.